Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithali.com, and here I am showing you another card using the brand new Incredible Like You stamp set. This is coming out of the Occasions catalog in 2019, and as you can see, it's photopolymer. You can see there's really nice flowers, so you can do some really cool backgrounds there, and also those fun elements that you can do really funky backgrounds as well. There's also great funds and sentiments on this set. I'm just, like I said, I'm just in love with it. Now, I do have a class going on, a card class to go going on, and so you can see it right here. And so a link on the description of this video, more information about this. But because of that class, I decided I probably should do more of these cards using this set, so that you can see what other things you can do after getting that stamp set from the class. So here's my basic tools. I'm going to be using crumb cake as my card base. And this one is 8.5 by 5.5 as usual. I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. Use your bone folder to make your fold. That way you have a really nice crisp fold. Then I have a piece of lovely lipstick cardstock, as you can see here. And this one is, let me just see. This one is 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 3.5 by 2.5. And a piece of the All My Love Design Series paper, and this one is 3.5 by 3. Now, don't worry if you didn't catch all the names and colors and whatnot. I'm going to be linking at the description of this video all these products so you can get them at my store. So, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do here is we're going to go ahead and punch out the Starburst punch, right? And as I've said in multiple times, I love using the cardstock that I'm going to be using as a card base, because it's going to be covered. No one is going to see that there is a hole. So that's the main reason I do that. And so let's just start gluing this section to the card base, so that you can see that no one is even going to know that there was a hole in the middle of that card base. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and line it up. And I usually line up the first one and then glue the other one. So you can see it here. And then I'm going to go ahead and line up the second one, as you can see it here. I usually make it larger. You can see there's a big section that they are overlapping. That way you make sure you have enough wiggle room. So it looks like it's one piece, even though it is two. So let's just, oh my goodness. Oh, here. Okay, here it is. I'm like, what happened here? So I have it like so. Alrighty, and you can see it here. Alright, so here you have it. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do on this piece is I'm going to be using the lipstick, lovely lipstick rose green ribbon. And we're going to go ahead and do like a double. You can see it here. Now, I do want it to have kind of like crisscross, yeah, like that. See that? So it's kind of crossing, right? And you see it here. And you have to pull a little bit just to make sure there's some tension. Okay. And then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cutting somewhere here. Actually, I should probably cut it smaller. But anyway, you can see it here. The big thing here is I want to make sure there is some tension. So this one I can cut. Right. And then this one, I'm just going to fold it here. Yep. Is that right? Yep. And I'm going to be using a little bit of tape. And there you have it. And if there is not enough tension, then I can open it a little bit more and put back that tension. Okay, you see it? It's right there. Okay, so that's it for that part. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue these to my card base. So I have my card front. Oh. Alrighty. And always make sure the way it opens, because sometimes, you know, there we have it. I want to make sure I have enough tension again. Like I said, that's the big thing here. So I'm going to go ahead and put it like so. And we're going to center it. And we should be good to go. Alright. Another thing that I'm going to be doing, just to make sure that it sticks put, is I'm going to be using these and some glue dots. And of course, you know me by now, I'm always losing my glue dots. So we're going to go ahead and put this one like right here. Just to make sure they're not wiggling or moving around. So that's how it's going to go. So the next part is the stamping, right? So because it's photopolymer, I'm going to take it a little bit out of the picture. Is I'm going to be taking my Pierce mat and I'm going to be taking the crumb cake. I'm going to stamp it right in the middle. And this is just a scrap of paper. Just large enough or wide enough so that I can punch out a 2-inch circle. So you can see it here. Now this one goes really well with the Starburst punch. You can see it right there. And then I'm going to be taking the Soft Suede and Lovely lipstick again. Here is this color. As you can see, the color that I'm using matches my cardstock and the design series paper. And that's really one of my biggest tips right there. I always look into the design series paper and look at what the colors that they are using. And that will help me. I'm going to put 2 here and then 1 right there. That helps me a lot to know what kind of color combination I should use, you know. So I'm just going to be putting something like this, something like that, and something like this. Really subtle, as you can see. And I think we're ready to put this onto my card. Oh, there we have it. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue this one here. And like I said, this one goes really well with this. I love using punches. I think like it's really easy. I don't have to bring big tools to come up with a card. I mean, of course, I love using the Big Shot, but sometimes you just want to go really quick and fast. So this one helps me do that. Punches are really a great tool to go even faster. So anyway, so here you have it. Is that not really nice? I really love those elements, and like I said, the flowers are really nice. The fonts is really great. So you can come up with lots and lots of cards. Let me just show you another one, kind of again going with the same color combinations. You can see it right here. And I have another card that I'm going to be doing a video as well, and you can see it here. The feature, as you can see, it's also the design series paper, and like I said, I'll put a link to all the different projects that you see here on the description of this video, as well as the card class that I have. If you're watching this later than January, the card class to go make and take packet might not be available anymore, but you can always get the tutorial. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.